Dreaming of butterfly is interpreted in a few ways. Someone dreaming a butterfly launches on him will get a good news, and someone seeing butterflies are flying will hear something about his surrounding. A single person dreaming of colorful butterflies will meet an attractive but flighty person, and she likes such a person. If the butterfly launches on hat, there may be an engagement or marriage, but if it is flies again in dream, wedding or engagement will have no result. Someone seeing colorful butterflies are flying around will be fond of love events and adventures, and it will be hard to stop this. If dreamer holds a butterfly and closes it into a pot or bottle, he will get married to someone he loves, but he can't make her and even himself happy. If butterfly escapes from there, this will be a divorce. And if the butterfly dies, this will be a frustration on love.